Hello students, welcome to the second lecture on relations. Today we are going to define relation and we will take some examples and questions related to the topic relations. So first is the definition. Let A and B be two non-empty sets, then a relation R from set A to set B is any subset of A cross B. We have defined this Cartesian product of two sets in the previous lecture. So any subset of A cross B is said to be a relation from A to B. Similarly, any subset from B to A is said to be a relation from B to A, means any subset of B cross A is said to be a relation from B to A. But here we will be discussing about the relation from A to B, means any subset, means R is a subset of A cross B. Thus R is a relation from A to B if and only if R is a subset of A cross B. If R is a relation from set A to set B, and if this ordered pair AB belongs to R, then we write A R B, means A is related to B, A is related to B by the relation R. Similarly, if this ordered pair does not belong to R, this symbol is for does not belong to, then we write A does not belong to B, means A is not related to B by the relation R. Now we take one example. We take two sets as A and B and we define a relation from A to B. We define a relation from A to B by this. Here R is the set of all ordered pairs of the form 1, B, 2, C, 3, A and 1, A. Now how to check whether this R is a relation from A to B? So we first check whether R is a subset of A cross B. So for that we need to write A cross B. A cross B will be of the form this. We have learned this in the previous lecture. Now we can see that 1, B and 2, C, 3, A and 1, A belongs to R as well as A cross B. So clearly R is contained in A cross B, or R is a subset of A cross B. Hence by the definition of the relation, R is a relation from set A to set B. Let us take one more example of this. Suppose we have if A is a set which contains 4 elements A, B, C and D, and B is a set which also contains 4 elements P, Q, R and S, then which of the following is a relation from A to B? For that you need to check which of these 4 is a subset of A cross B. So first let us check the R1, you may see that R1 is a subset of A cross B, because here the first element is from set A. A, B and C are from set A, and P, R and S, this P, R and S is from set B. So this is a subset of A cross B. So clearly R1 is a subset of A cross B. So R1 is a relation from set A to set B. Similarly, so first option is correct. Second option, for R2, here Q, first element Q, does this Q belong to the first set? No. So here this ordered pair QB does not belong to A cross B, hence this R2 is not a subset of A cross B, which further implies that R2 is not a relation from set A to set B. I hope this is clear to all of you. Please feel free to comment down if you have any questions. So this option B is wrong. Similarly, option 3, you may check here that R3 is a subset of A cross B. See, first element A, B, C and B. A, B, C and B belongs to set A only, and this second elements P, Q, R, this P, Q, R belongs to the second set. So this is a subset of A cross B. See here, R3 is a relation from set A to set B. So this option is also correct. Similarly, you may check this and comment in the comment section whether R4 is a relation or not. This is my question to you. So we will discuss this question in the next class. Now, another question. If set A is this 1, 2 and 3, set A contains the elements of the form 1, 2 and 3, and set B contains the elements of the form 4, 5 and 6, then which of the following is a relation from A to B? For checking, we will check whether these are a subset of A cross B, whether this R1, R2, R3, R4 are subset of A cross B. So we check. How to check? Now see this 1, 4. 1, 4 is in A cross B. Why? As 1 belongs to A and 4 belongs to B. So this ordered pair 1, 4 belongs to A cross B, and this element belongs in set R1. Similarly, 1, 5 belongs to A cross B, and 1, 6 belongs to A cross B. So this is a subset of A cross B, hence R1 is a relation from A cross B. See here, R1 is a relation from A cross B. Similarly, check R2 now. Check R2 now. R2 is of the form 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 6. Check. 1, 2 and 3 belongs to the first set A, and 5, 4 and 6 belongs to the second set. So this is also a subset of A cross B, as the ordered pairs are from A cross B. So R2 is also a relation from set A to set B. Similarly, you may check R3 and R4 as well. For R3, check this first element is from set A, and this second element 4, 5 and 6 is from set B. So this is also a relation from set A to set B. Similarly, for R4, you see here now, does 4 belongs to set A? No. This 4, 2 does not belong to A cross B. Why? As 4 does not belong to A and 2 also does not belong to B. So this R4 is not a subset of A cross B, and if any set is not a subset of A cross B, hence this set R4 is not a relation from set A to set B. You may see here the detailed solution of this, right? As 4, 2 does not belong to A cross B because 4 does not belong to A and 2 does not belong to A. Therefore, R4 is not a relation from set A to set B. I hope this is clear to you. Now, next topic is domain and range of a relation. This we will discuss in the next class. Thank you. If you find this content helpful, do share, subscribe and like. Thank you all of you.